Welcome back to Next Wave. Today we are diving into the world of nutrition and how the right foods can help in fight against cancer. A healthy diet is crucial not just for general well-being but also for its role in cancer prevention. In this video, we will explore some of the top foods you should consider including in your diet to boost your body's defenses. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our health and nutrition tips. Antioxidant rich berries. First up are berries. These small fruits pack a big punch when it comes to antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting your cells from damage. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are particularly beneficial due to their high level of vitamins and phytochemicals. Including a variety of berries in your diet is easy and delicious. Add them to your morning cereals, blend them into the smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. These berries not only taste great but also help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Leafy greens. Next we have leafy greens like spinach, kale and Swiss chard. These vegetables are loaded with the vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They help detoxify the body, which is essential for cancer prevention. Leafy greens are versatile and can be added to salads, smoothies or even soups. Their high content of chlorophyll help remove toxins from the bloodstream, contributing to better health and reduces cancer risk. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are known for their cancer-fighting properties. They contain glucosinate, which are compounds that help protect cells from damage and have anti-cancer effects. These veggies are incredibly versatile. You can steam them, roast them, or use them in dishes like cauliflower, rice, or broccoli salads. Including cruciferous vegetables in your diet can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Garlic and onions. Garlic and onions belong to the Allium family, known for their sulfur compounds that have strong anti-cancer properties. Regular consumption of these vegetables is linked to the reduced risk of several types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. Use garlic and onions to add flavor to your dishes while also boosting their health benefits. Whether in soup, stir fries, or salad dressing, these foods are both delicious and nutritious. Turmeric and spices. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin is known for its potential to reduce the growth of cancer cells. Adding turmeric to your diet is simple. Use it in curries, soups, or even make a warm turmeric latte. Combine turmeric with black pepper enhances its absorption, making it even more effective. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense foods that provide a variety of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They are particularly rich in antioxidants and fiber, which are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and reducing cancer risk. Include a handful of nuts and seeds in your daily diet. They make great snacks, and you can also add them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Some of the best options include almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent sources of fiber and other essential nutrients. They help regulate blood sugar levels, promote digestive health and are linked to a lower risk of cancer. Switching from refined grain to whole grains can make big difference in your diet. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or make a quinoa salad for lunch. These grains are versatile and can be included in various meals. Green tea. Green tea is known for its high concentration of catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that help prevent cells damage and reduce the risk of cancers. Drinking green tea regularly can support your overall health and protect against various diseases. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily or try matcha, a powerful form of green tea. For a concentrated dose of antioxidant, it's a refreshing way to stay hydrated while also benefiting from its cancer-fighting properties. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Wave and hit the notification bell for more health tips and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.